Welcome back to DRXAutomobi. While the world has been fixated on BYD's budget EVs, their high-end off-road brand is quietly launching a vehicle that could change the way we think about family SUVs. This is the 2025 BYD Leopard Titanium 7. Don't let the rugged, boxy proportions fool you while its siblings. The Leopard 5 and 8 are hardcore body and frame bruisers. The Titanium 7 is built on a sophisticated monocoque platform. It's designed for the driver who wants the Land Rover Defender, but needs the refined ride quality of a luxury unibody crossover. With its interstellar arc design language, featuring a high hood line rectangular LED matrix headlamps, and a side-opening tailgate, the Titanium 7 looks like it's ready to cross a continent, even if it's just crossing town for school drop-off. Under the skin, the Titanium 7 is a masterclass in hybrid engineering. It features BYD's latest 1.5-liter turbocharged plug-in hybrid system paired with a dual-motor AWD setup. We are looking at a combined output of 485 horsepower and over 450 pound-feet of torque. That is enough juice to rocket this 5-seater from 0 to 60 in just 4.5 seconds. But the real magic is in the efficiency. With its advanced blade battery, Titanium 7 offers a pure electric range of up to 80 miles, and a mind-boggling total combined range of over 800 miles. Whether you're commuting on pure electrons or taking a cross-country road trip, range anxiety is officially a thing of the past. But the Titanium 7's party piece isn't just its speed, it's the tech. Look at the roof, and you'll see an integrated LiDAR sensor powering BYD's Eye of God intelligent driving system, offering level 2 plus autonomy. And for the ultimate flex, it offers an optional integrated drone system that can take off and land from the roof at speeds up to 15 miles per hour, acting as your personal aerial follow cam. Inside the cabin is a digital sanctuary featuring a massive 15.6-inch rotating touchscreen, a 26-inch head-up display, and a built-in refrigerator in the center console. With Nappa leather, 20-speaker premium audio, and massing seats, the 2025 BYD Leopard Titanium 7 is a high-tech multi-tool that proves you don't have to sacrifice luxury for a rugged aesthetic. Don't forget to like and subscribe to DRXAutomobi as we get ready to test that roof-mounted drone in the wild.